This is my Kossel Clear Delta printer. I bought it on Craigslist for 250 bucks. I made some modifications to it. I moved the hot end mount above the acrylic. I strengthened the Bowden mount with a little red piece of plastic of my own. I added a cooling fan. I upgraded to a glass print bed with Elmer spray glue to hold everything down. I've got some cable management here, temporary for now, to hold everything up above the print head so I don't get anything tangled. And as you can see, I've got it going pretty fast and producing decent quality prints. And these are my Cura settings. I'm using Repetier to do all this. As you can see, I've got it at 85% infill with 80 to 100 millimeter per second print speed. And let's see, my settings look like this. And there's my filament settings. So yeah, I'm really excited about the sorts of things I can make with this going forward.